Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. Now today we're going to be talking about this platform called Freepik, and we'll basically discuss on what it does and how you can actually join here. Now Freepik, what does this platform do? So as you can see here, you'll be selling your digital art, right? Like the photos that you take with camera, the vectors. If you love to create things like icons, things like that, or if you want to do mockups like PSD designs. So you create your stuff, your digital art, you upload it, and then you make money. Simple as that, right? And you can actually see some of the guidelines on how you can do this right here. Like for selling photos, what are the guidelines for that, and what maybe criteria do you need to meet to sell your photos on Freepik, right? And I did a bit of research on Freepik, and it has 3.5 stars out of 2,356 reviews, which is not bad, right? It's a good score. I would say most people do have like a mixed experience on Freepik, good and bad. So why become a Freepik contributor? So what are you going to gain here? So first of all, you have a stable income, right? They offer you more than just one way to make money on their platform. First of all, of course, you get to sell your digital art, and then also you will have to recommend people through their referral program, right? They do run a referral program, which is you get paid for every client that downloads something, or maybe inviting another contributor as well. And they also have like special promotions, right? And they offer a worldwide visibility. In this regard, they say they have like customers or people that actually download these things online, right? So on this one, they said you get over 100 million downloads every day, but I think this one contradicts what they've written on their homepage, which I'm going to highlight. That they do have like 5 million downloads every day, not 100 million. So they do have access to a lot of clients out there, which means like you don't have to market, like they will do the marketing for you, right? And so I think they take a commission out of that, and you get tips and inspiration, right? They tell you or give you some sort of guidance and support on your creation process and what you need to do, possibly to sell your stuff much faster and to a lot of people. Intuitive tools designed to fit you, to manage your photos, vectors, and things like that. So they support batch uploading. Now, batch uploading is when you upload your stuff in quantity, like huge quantities, right? So you can upload multiple photos at the same time, which is very, very nice, right? Join in on something big. So currently, according to their stats, they have 70,000 or more than 70,000 plus contributors on their platform, and they have like 5 million downloads every day, that people downloading different things, right? And this is what I was telling you about, that number 100 million per day contradicts with this one. And they also have like 65 million visits, right? These are the people that click and view the website on its own, the platform on its own. So these are actually very good or great figures, and as a contributor, that's a lot of marketing there, right? A lot of visibility there. So they also run the referral program, as I've said, right? You get paid to refer people, which is a great feature. And apart from referring people, you can actually become like a brand ambassador. That is creating some sort of content on behalf of Freepik. I think most platforms do that anyway. If you have a bit of social media, then possibly post a video about them, things like that. And these are some of the testimonials that people do have. So I'm not going to read any of these. I'm just going to read the ones on Trustpilot, right? So in order to start joining, of course, you have to come to this button and just simply click on it. But before we do that, let's check the FAQs, right? If you have any questions about Freepik, I would say most of these will be answered under the FAQs, right? Like, what can I sell on Freepik? Right? They said on Freepik, we embrace all types of creativity. You can sell quality photographs, vectors, illustrations, mockups, templates online once you become their contributor, right? How do I become a Freepik contributor? You must register, create an account. Once you register, you have to upload and send at least 10 resources. This can be vectors, illustrations, PSD files. Then the team will review them and to see if actually they meet their quality standards. So it is important to show your true potential. You become a contributor, making money, and resources are published. Now, one thing that I need to actually understand something about Freepik, right, is that you need to upload original content, things that you do have rights over, right? What you call intellectual property rights, something like that. So you cannot just take a photo out of maybe online and just simply upload it here. You need to upload your own photos, and of course they need to grade them or see if these things kind of fit their own standards and quality standards. If they meet those quality standards, yeah, then you're good to go. So you can actually read some of these to basically learn. And another important question is that how much do I earn, right? And here they say that contributors get paid for every download their store content gets. This is one of the reasons that makes Freepik the best place to sell photos, vectors, and PSD designs online. Great. And as I've said, like you can come here and join Freepik in any different kind of way. You can actually become a brand ambassador, come here, or just refer, right? And this part also you'll see the terms and conditions, which are these ones, right? So they do have terms and conditions which you need to read, and most of these basically pertain to the referral program, how the referral program works. So you need to read this and basically submit it. And in addition to all this, you can actually read their blogs, right? They write different blogs that you can actually read right here. And these publish different topics. Explore new ideas full of authenticity, new connection, add emotion to your portfolio. So these are written by different contributors, right? And then Jimenez and people like that. So very, very important right here. So this is actually the kind of registration process, the terms and conditions, again, the licensing terms. Then you have to read these, then go to your profile, fill in your name, like the username, your website, your country, where you're from, and then your professional portfolio if you have any, like for Talk Adobe, Shutterstock, things like that. If it's social media, put it there. And once you're done, of course, you have to start uploading. That's the very first thing that you need to do. You upload your stuff, they need 10 of them, then they need to review. So once you're done signing up, the dashboard will look like this. Right on the left, you have all these options, and you have the welcome message right here. And they'll tell you basically what you need to upload. And down here, right here, we've got the performance overview. We have the earnings in pounds, the downloads, the likes, the files, and things like that. And here, of course, we've got the profile itself, right? The messaging and the notification app, and this side will be the articles or the blogs, whatever the case might be. So on the stats, of course, you check the earnings here and the total downloads for the last month update year to date. So you can actually adjust them here to actually study your stats very, very well. Search trends here, visual trends, guidelines, contact, app store, all these things, billing, voices. I would say these ones you can actually explore on your own, right? That isn't much anyway. So as I've said, like this platform does have not much of a great review, but I'll say it's kind of in the middle, but overall on the nice side, right? Because it has but 80% 5-star review, over 12%, which is negative, which is actually very good. 5% 4 stars, which is something that is kind of fishy though, but yeah, I don't usually trust 5 stars reviews. I usually trust 4 stars. And some of the reviews, we can just read a few of them. And they said this one is from Bonus Old. They said avoid at all cost. They've changed their platform to the point where it does not work anymore. We have no ability to use it, and we have reached out several times to get a refund, and they're ghosting us now. Avoid this company at all costs. And said, we're sorry for your experience. It's not been good. Would you mind let me know if you contacted CS and things like that. I'll say some people do have bad experiences. Some do have good. Like for this one, editing. The good editing tools, a bit too much focus on AI in my opinion, but still made my job a lot easier, better than the other stock websites ship to. Good experience, good software, easy to use, enjoy this site, right? So I'll say read these reviews on your own, kind of get some insights and what other people are actually saying or what they've experienced on this platform. So guys, I don't have much to say about Freepik, but I'll say if you're a creator and you're interested in selling your art, your digital art, I think this is one of the platforms that you might try. And again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.